Shout out to Reddit as always for posting this. But this is actually in the Pixel Fold Reddit community. And they have some interesting pictures. So we have the Fold 1 versus the Fold 2. Which overall wise, I still love the Fold 1 better. I will forever love the Fold 1 better. I could get the Fold 2. I could love the Fold 2. I will always love the Fold 1 better. I feel like this is now became the Surface Duo 1, Surface Duo 2. Where the Surface Duo 2, it was better in every category possible. But nothing was better looking in my opinion / I like better than the Surface Duo 1. Also, no underscreen camera. As you can see, it's in the bezel. This one is underscreen camera. So, automatically, Pixel Fold 1's better. It also looks better, personally. Pixel Fold 2 versus the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Obviously, bigger display. I'm surprised they don't do the Pixel... Oh, no, this was 3 months ago, that's why. This was based on early leaks, which is kind of crazy because it's almost identical to how it looks in these leaks. This was 3 months ago, by the way. Almost identical to how it looks actually. So it's very almost perfect 1-for-1 ratio. But OnePlus Open, Pixel Fold 2. Listen, they're completely different devices. Okay? We gotta keep telling ourselves that so we forever remember that these are not the same device. It's like, I don't know, it's just like the Pixel Fold 2 looks literally like the OnePlus Open, but a tad bit undergraded when it comes to like the actual design. It's just a tad bit smaller, it's a little bit more, you know, bezels up here, little curves a little bit more over here than here. It's just so weird looking. And again, like this outside display, again, I know I'm gonna completely be in the minority here, but it just looks so small. Like, you compare it to the Pixel Fold 2, this is like the biggest shift when it comes to one foldable phone to the next generation. It's just that outside display being so small. Again, another look at it in this angle. We have the 8.02 inch versus the 7.6. That's, again, not official numbers. This is just what, based on speculation of what we thought it was going to look like. Spoiler alert, it does look like this, so I guess it's for the most part, but the actual numbers might not be on par for par what it actually ends up being. Just a little side note there. But it's very similar to the numbers that they have here. Just going back here. Again, I mean, it looks like it's going to be a great phone. I'll be excited to pick it up and actually hold it in my hands and use it, but yeah. I mean, again, it's beautiful. Just go back to it. Just, they had perfection. The Surface Duo 1. The Surface Duo. I love Surface Duo 2, by the way. I do own the Surface Duo 1 and 2 still. I love Surface Duo 2. But it's like the Surface Duo 1, man. I guess when you hit it, like, correctly the first time, when you get the perfect product the first time, it's hard to replicate and get better the second time. It's still a great product. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.